What's up, guys? Toast again from Fishyaker. It's late afternoon. Yeah, I got an hour or two before the sun sets. I remembered I had this old soft plastic craw in the jet boat. Was down here at the park pond a couple days ago. Realized all choked up with grass and algae and stuff, and can't throw too much in there with treble hooks without it getting all slimy and nasty and reeling in a salad every cast. So I figured I'd just take this. It's kind of disposable anyway, because it's kind of like worn out, but still has some life left in it. Just kind of dirty looking. And see if I can pick something up. Oh, big old bullfrog. Can y'all see that? Check that out. It's huge. Sometimes they'll actually strike lures too. Not that I don't want to unhook them. But figure if nothing else, with the braid I could work this thing across the top too, and then just drop it in all the little gaps. Whoop. Oh, that felt like a little strike on there. Huh. There we go. There's one. Take it. There's a bump. Grab it. Definitely a little something there. Could be crappie. Might be crappie. Dang it. Got ya. There we go. Yep. That took some effort. He actually hit it as I was bouncing it right up onto the algae there. But healthy little fish. Yep. All right. No skunk.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.